Use the knowledge base to store and publish articles with internal know-how. The left side of the article list view contains your article folders and subfolders. As usual, you have access to list filtering options and bulk editing controls, as well as the option to add a new article and export or import articles. Click an article's title to open its details. Click here to add an article to your favorites. You can clone and delete items using the buttons in the Actions column. Let's create a new article. After clicking Add New here, the Create Article page will open. Fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory, like the article title and the folder the article will be stored in. If published, any user with read rights will be able to view it. If not published, only users with edit rights will be able to view it. Tags work like keywords that you can use to filter articles later. We will cover their setup in a minute. A description is optional. The content of the article allows you to use rich text formatting and pictures to make your entry look great. When viewing an article's details, you gain access to additional information, like opening a list of users that have opened the article and viewing the article's change history. You can also go back to the list of articles and edit the current article. The list of comments is at the very bottom. If you add a comment here, users with edit rights will receive a notification. Go to Manage, Knowledge Base, Folders. Use folders to manage who can create, read, edit, and delete which articles. You can create subfolders by clicking on a folder and pulling it under another folder. In order to automatically unwrap a submenu, check the box in the main folder. Click the admin symbol to select which users get rights to view the folders. Go to Manage, Users, Rights, Knowledge Base Folders to set up your permissions. Setting up tags is super easy. Simply go to Manage, Knowledge Base, Tags, and click Add New. Enter your tag title and click Save. In the following lessons, we will discuss how to use application to monitor the state of your PBX.